How to add customer accounts login to Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. Now, I believe by default, it's actually going to be turned on as an option. But for example, if you just visit your online store and you don't see the option to log in as a customer, like in this case, I only have the search and the cart icon. So if this is your case, what you want to do, it's very simple. You just want to go to your Shopify admin and go to settings from the bottom left corner, and you should be able to find a setting called customer accounts. So make sure you click on that and make sure that the first option here, which is show sign-in links, is toggled on. This is going to basically enable the customer accounts login. And if we just go back to our Shopify store and view it, we should be able to find that it is going to be present and people can actually start by signing up. And then obviously just feel free to sign in at any point by just using this section here. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.